In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up autopay for your bills using USAA. Whether you're looking to streamline your bill management or simply want to avoid missed payments, setting up autopay can be a tremendous help. Let's take it step by step to ensure everything is set up correctly. First things first, head over to the USAA website. This is your starting point for setting up autopay. Once you're on the main page, you'll need to sign in to your account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. If you're accessing your account from a new device, you might need to verify your identity, so keep an eye on your email or phone for a verification code. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the payments section of your account. This is where you can manage all your billing needs. After selecting payments, you'll see a list of bills associated with your account. Choose the bill you wish to set up autopay for. It could be a credit card, insurance premium, or any other bill that USA manages for you. Next, you'll need to add or confirm your payment method. This is a crucial step because it ensures the funds are drawn from the correct account. You might already have a payment method on file, but it's always a good idea to double check. Confirm it's up to date, or add a new bank account or credit card if needed. Now let's get into setting the specific rules for your autopay. You'll be prompted to configure your autopay settings. Here you can select options like monthly for the frequency, and then choose whether you want to pay the minimum due, the full statement balance, or if you want the payment to be made on the due date. Customize these settings to fit your financial strategy or cash flow preferences. Once you've configured your settings, it's time to review them. This is where you want to double check everything. Make sure the payment amount, frequency, and source are all as you intended. When you're satisfied, go ahead and click on the Confirm button to finalize your setup. Don't forget to click on Save Confirmation once you've confirmed everything. This step makes sure that your settings are saved in the system and your autopay is now active. Finally, remember that you can change or cancel your autopay settings at any time. Life changes, and USA allows you the flexibility to adapt your payments as needed. Before we wrap up, a few quick tips. If you prefer not to deal with this setup online, you can reach out to USAA member services and they'll be happy to assist. Additionally, try to keep a buffer of at least one business day before the due date to avoid any non-sufficient funds issues. If you're setting up autopay for insurance, check if there's an enrollment fee or a specific period during which you can enroll. With these steps, you're now ready to manage your bills effortlessly with autopay on USAA.